Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Gaurav Viswa, and if you are new to my channel, then go subscribe my channel. So today I am going to talk about the internship opportunity which is come from the TCS. So let's start the video. So this is the page where you got all the details regarding the research internship opportunity from the TCS Global Internship Program. So whatever you are pursuing is this program is only for PhD student and masters pursuing student, not for the undergraduate student. Okay, so this program is for the research and the development, and this is a 6 to 8 weeks internship program. As you see in the content, that so 16 to 18 weeks long internship with an options of tailoring the duration in the certain cases. Okay, so what is the role of an intern? To conduct a research in an industrial research and development environment and solve industry scale problems under the supervision of a senior researcher. So here you got the chance to work under the super seniors of the TCS research and development program. The areas and the responsibilities include of the creation of research and development related assets, where you have to define the research problem and design solution for them, develop prototype solutions by applying industry scale data. You must know about that, how to handle the data. You must have the certification in the data analytics. If you have, then you got the reference or the preference from TCS itself. So research executions consist of perform literature survey and identify opportunity and challenges, and where you have to execute a proof of concept that how you are going to perform this and what are the solution you are going to given to the TCS. Contribute to the development of tools and the products. Learning and development, learn about emerging trends and technology. Industrial research, define the challenge involved in applied research. So this is all about that, what the roles and responsibilities if you are get selected by the TCS in global internship program. You must kept in mind that you must have a good resume for that. Okay, so TCS providing this opportunity for the PhD, MS, MTech of final year BE, BTech student. MCA students can also apply. So here you can see that master and PhD student from premier institute in the field of psychology, sociology, economics, mathematics, game design and organizational behavior may also apply. Okay, so how to apply? Come down and click here. If you are interested, please click here to fill the form. When you click on this, so you have redirected to the page of a TCS career. Okay, so the form looks like this. So what's your degree qualifications? Masters, so you choose a master. If you are pursuing an MCA, you can put here masters of computer applications. Year of passing, you can put it here, year of passing, whatever year you are passed in, and CGPA, whatever CGPA you score, you can put it. Research area of interest. Okay, so you have to check from the content here. Okay, read it carefully. You can get this content in the description box also and with the apply link also, so you can read it first carefully, then make a good resume. You can also take the help of a YouTube. There is so many ideas that how to make a resume for the research development program, or how to get selected on the resume basis. If you don't have any experience, you can also select on the best resume. Okay, so if you have any queries, you can go out to the careers.research@tcs.com, and if you have any doubt, you can comment me. I will definitely reply you as soon as possible. So thank you guys, and hope you like my videos. Share to the needy one and subscribe my video for the latest notification like internship updates and the job updates. Thank you.